So determine the transfer function of the Mason's transfer function of the system by using Mason's gain formula. Okay. So first thing we are going to find the forward path of the given system. So forward path mean that system move from input to output is called as a forward path. From that we are having an 4 number of forward path available. So first one is 1 2 3 4, that means nodes 1 2 3 4 and loop G5 and 7 8. It is one type of forward path. And second one forward path is 1 2 G4 4 5 6 7 8. It is another forward path. So gain of the first forward path P1 is equal to G1 G3 G4 G5, and here no value is not available here, so it considers in value 1. So the gain of the total gain of the system is G1 G2 G3 and G5, and second one is G1 G4 G6 G7 G8, and third one is straight line 1 2 3 4 up to 8. So gain of the system is G1 G2 G3 G6 G7 G8, and fourth one is 1 2 G4 G5 7 8. So G1 G4 G5. And next one we are going to find the individual loop of the system. So loop mean what is mean loop? Loop mean it is a closed path. So what are all the individual closed loop available in the given system? Mean we are having an 3 4 5 7 and again 3, it is one individual loop, and 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and again 2, it is one individual loop, and another one is 2 G4 through G4 4 5 6 7 8 and again 2, it is another type of individual loop, and 2 4 5 6 7 8, so it is another type of individual loop. So these are all 5 individual loops available in the system. So gain of the individual loop is P11 is equal to G3 G6 G7 G8 and H2. Suppose some of the problem we are having negative value, negative minus H2, so you are also keep at minus H2. Okay. Here we are noting one important thing. For forward path is represented as n P1 P2 P3 P4 P5 and etc. Next individual loop is represented as n P11 21 31 41 51. Next we are going to find two non-touching loop. So two non-touching loop is represented as n P12 22 23. Three non-touching is represented as n 13 23 33, like this. Okay. Next we are going to find two non-touching loop. Two non-touching loop in any individual loop is non-touching, it is called as two non-touching loop. So here we are going to check any possibilities available for two non-touching. So first one is 3 4 5 6 7, and compared to second one 3 4 5 6, same nodes are available, so there is no possibility for non-touching. And compared to this 6 7 6 7 6 7 available, so there is no possibility for non-touching. Here also having nodes 7 and 8 7 and 8 7 7, so there is no possibility for non-touching. Here also having 7 and 8 7 and 7, so there are also no possibility for non-touching, two non-touching. So we should write there is no possibilities for non-touching, two non-touching loop. So now finally apply the Mason's gain formula. T is equal to 1 by del Pk del K. So what is my del K? Del K mean any individual loop is non-touching the given forward path. For example, del 1 mean any individual loop non-touching to the first forward path is called as in del 1. Any individual loop non-touching the second forward path is called as in del 2, and any individual loop non-touching the third forward path is called as in del 3. Same thing del 4. Okay, here we are going to check any possibilities available for del 1 del 2 del 3. So first one is 1 2 3 4 up to 7 and 8. So node 7 is available in all each and every individual loop. So here there is no possibility for non-touching the first forward path. So del 1 is equal to 1 minus sum of individual loop is equal to 0. So del 1 is equal to 1. Same thing del 2. Del 2 also having 7. So every loop having 7. So there is no possibilities for non-touching. Same thing forward path 3 and forward path 4. So del 1 is equal to 1 minus 0 1. Same thing del 2 del 3 del 4. Next transfer function T is equal to P1 del 1 P2 del 2 P3 del 3 P4 del 4. So P1 P2 P3 P4, because del 1 values are del 1 del 2 del 3 and del 4 values are 1, divided by delta value 1 minus sum of individual loop gain. Individual loop gain is equal to P11, P21, P31, P41. So write the values. Okay, this is the transfer function of the given system. Given transfer function of the given system, that means gain of the value. Okay, we no need to simplify the next steps. It's enough for your examination purpose.